up, YouTube, man? Oodie Oo back here with another video. I'm Oodie for the guys that's new and, you know what I'm saying, hasn't been subscribed. By the way, hit the subscribe button, you know what I'm saying? Stay updated with all the videos and all that good stuff. Oh, and follow me on Instagram at Oodie.oo, you know. I post some stuff that I don't post on here, like detail shots and all that stuff. Anyways, I head to my boy at 392 Juanito house so we can finish wrapping the back top part of the bumper that we never got to, and probably gonna like power wash the wheels so they can be like that OEM silver. I'll show you guys right here. So basically like wrap this freaking piece right here that we never got to and freaking like power wash the wheels because it's like OEM like the silver under here. I don't know if you can see, like whoever had them previously like painted them with like a cheap like spray or whatever. So we're seeing if we could just power wash it off. Hopefully this power wash is like strong enough so I can see how they look silver. Cause like I was thinking about polishing them, but I want to see how I feel about them silver first, you know, before I get them polished. You know, since it's already silver under, like the OEM silver, and it's clear coated, like I can feel it. Ah, crap! Dang it! But anyways, but yeah, since like I feel like the dark color like kind of like brings down like the yellow accents, if that makes sense. You see, like it like dims down the car. So I'm just gonna see how it's already coming off right here. I feel like the silver will pop more. Oh, and by the way, I freaking finally got the lip on, fog lights, and the middle mesh on the bumper. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I gotta do some touch-ups on this bumper. Freaking, like I said previously, like when I was freaking like rushing, I was like kind of like impatient. So I took matters into my own hands, and yeah, I think I'm gonna put like some knifeless tape around here and then just put some more wrap. We should be good to go. Nothing big. Like it's the bells and whistles to it. Oh, and I finally put on my freaking hood latch on this side, so it's like it's not lifted no more. It's flush now. You know what I'm saying? I mean, it's like probably needs like a little alignment here, but it's nothing big. Nothing big. And then I just got to buy clips for the freaking side trim, and oh, and the freaking I still guys still need that freaking bottom diffuser. I need this freaking bottom diffuser. Yeah, I might just have to cop it one of these days. It's whatever. It's honestly low key. Yeah, stock boys, you know. Woo. Subscribe, my guys. Subscribe. Alright, what up, guys, man? You know, it's the next day, you know. My bad, forgot. Well, we didn't forget. We just like kind of like got in the zone of like both of our projects and just started knocking stuff out. But long story short, we couldn't strip the wheels on the E36, so I basically ended up like painting them. It's called like a metallic aluminum or something like that. To me, it looks like Nardo to me, but everybody says it looks dope, but I don't know, maybe it'll grow on me. I'll show you guys in a second. But for the most part, and we didn't finish wrapping the back bumper either. We're working on his truck in the previous video, you know, the dream truck they picked up, you know, somewhere right here. It'll be right here. But anyways, we finished the wheels. I put the car outside in the front so like it can dry or whatever. And then I had Juan, because he makes decals too, make me some special decals over here, you know what I'm saying? Have my boy make me some freaking special decals, like the color of the car and then the yellow accents, like, you know what I'm saying? I had just clear coated them. Yeah, I think they should be solid. They should be solid, you know what I'm saying? I only have one right now because the other two, he had some clear coat, but it was matte, and I freaking sprayed it and it like wasn't even glossy anymore. So he's redoing those for me, and one I put it on the car before I came up with the idea to do it like this. So we just have one to just throw on right now on the car, and we're just gonna see how it looks, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna throw it on. See, this is how the wheels look. It looks like a Nardo to me. I don't know why, but I don't know. I don't know if it's because not the center caps or what, but let's find out. I think I'm gonna stick it on the front one right here. You know, It does make like the yellow calipers pop more. No cap. Dang. Made it better, but I don't know. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about it. Oh, I did lower it some more too on this side because freaking this side was higher than the other side. Yeah. Yeah, man, I don't know how I feel about it really. You know what I'm saying? Oh, but like I was saying, like I had lowered the freaking lowered the driver's side some more because I had raised it when I first fitted these wheels, but because when I first fitted these wheels, I had put the driver's side far higher up than the passenger side. And when I had the wheels off, I just like lowered that side, so now it's looks pretty fly though. Makes me want to like lower the whole car again, like go back to that slim line, but nah, I like it functional. It's funner. But yeah, this pretty much is gonna wrap up this video. And stay tuned for the next one, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. You know what I'm saying? For more content and stuff that's going on with the build and, you know, stuff. Just videos, you know what I'm saying? Because I just like dropping videos. Put it that way. But further ado, hit that subscribe button, like it, leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think about it. You know what I'm saying? I'll probably drop a pic on Instagram. You know, when you guys see this. Actually, you guys might see this today. So check it out on Instagram. Let me know what you guys think in the comments on Instagram, on here. It doesn't matter. But stay tuned. All right.